It's the apocalypse out here. It's crazy. All right, there's the storm. Eric, what are you gonna say?
Nothing.
Come on, say something.
No.
Her face is red, all full of sun. Big storm. You're gonna hear the lightning. Scary, eh? All right, let's check it out. Let's try to stay alive. Yeah, I know, eh?
A little bit. I want to see something.
Oh, it's coming. Ah, crap. Oh, hold the camera. Hold the camera.
Are you storm chasing?
Put it in the dry bag, Okay, we're okay here. Here it comes. I think we're safe where we are. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
The red, yeah. Okay, look. Oh, let's back up.
Why?
Can you back up?
No.
You move that way then.
Why? Okay, I'm gonna stand right here. This is the juice spot.
It's really falling. I hope Eric's hammock's not getting wet.
I'm getting wet right now.
Whoa, it's really storming. Look over there, the water. We should have emptied our hammock. We should have closed it.
I did close it.
With the snake skin. And come here. Woo! Look at the water going sideways.
I'm getting wet just right there, so.
Oh, come over here. The rain jackets are in there somewhere. Oh, this get wet. Oh, here we go! Yeah! Whoa! Oh my God! What the hell's going on? Is that a tornado? Look at that!
Well, look out for yourself!
Holy cow! Slow down, please! Oh, come on, stop that! Oh! Thank God their protection is protecting us!
Yeah.
Shit, the barrel's open!
There you go, fucking close it.
I can't go.
Well, there we go, and then... Oh my God.
Woo! It's crazy! Ah, my bowl!
Well, you're gonna have to get all this stuff.
It's okay, it's slowing down.
Oh my God, the camera.
All right, it's slowing down. Oh, you close it?
No.
Well, it's not working. Oh, get back in the corner.
I'm gonna stay right here.
Right here. Woo! Jesus.
It just like blew right in our faces and we're just...
Come on. There's that storm we're looking for. Crazy storm.
So we have to close the barrel. So.
You wanna go?
No? You're going.
It's okay. I'll just slip it back.
No, close it! Yeah, that's better.
It's freaking cold! Oh, lightning! Oh, how long that's gonna be, eh? Look at that!
I don't think we're gonna be sleeping anytime soon.
Oh, come on, don't slip up now.
Wave 2.
After that should be done. Come on.
Well, I mean, it's going pretty fast, so it won't last for very long.
I hope so.
The storm looks to be sprinting, so.
Just collect some water.
Oh, Papa, right in front of us.
What's in front of us?
Right in front of us.
Oh, that?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, where is that gonna go?
It's gonna go right where it is.
Oh, let's make a hole. No. Whoa!
Whoa!
Filming?
Well, I'm trying to, but you're in the way.
Okay, sorry, here you go.
Woo!
Oh, just go by.
Oh.
Oh, because it makes a bubble there. Have to lift it really high. Really high. Go.
You gotta go higher than that. Higher than that.
You wait. Yeah, it's slowing down. Okay, it's almost over. Thank you. Then it's all dry now. Whew. How was your first storm?
What do you mean it wasn't the first storm?
Well, out here.
No, it wasn't.
Woo. Oh.
We had another storm the other time we came.
Alright, it's almost over.
Our hammocks lasted.
Oh.
And you have a big puddle underneath yours, haha.
I just hope there's no water under in it.
This is all soaked. You got a big puddle right there.
Okay, it's just windy now. Alright.
Mind if I bring the camera out?
Well, it's still raining, you can hear it.
Yeah. But it's not raining as much.
Yeah, that's why we might have to dry up our mix.
Yeah, it might.
Still might have lots of lightning here. Let's take a chance.
Well, as long as we stay underneath the trees, we're okay. Oh no! Well, that's what happens.
Coming in hell.
I'm recording. I don't want to help. I'll get your bowl though.
That was dry.
Oh, look at that big puddle. Oh, the rain's starting back up. I'm on bare feet. Ooh, you're gonna have to clean this one out. It's dirty as hell. And I'm only in my bare feet. It's all dirty. Nope, nope, it's running harder. Nope, I'm going back in. Nope.
Coming again.
You're gonna have to Clear that big bubble.
Yeah.
Here, hold it. I'm just gonna go get something real quick.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Jesus.
Popping all the bubbles.
Yeah, well, that's gonna fall all on our stuff. Oh, wait, wait. Do it again. Oh, that corner there. Oh! I went flying. Leave it on, the weight is good. Look, round number 2. Number 3. Fucking ocean over there.
No, do that again.
There you go. Whoa!
Jesus Christ. And look, there's a hole in it. In that green tarp. Oh, there's a couple.
Stick around here. Come more in. Holy cow, eh? On
Yep.
my rope's pulling.
So I guess no fire tonight.
But we'll be able to sleep in that shit. Look at mine. Okay, rain jacket, where did I put it? With my clothes. Where with your clothes? Can I borrow your white one?
White what?
Rain jacket.
Why?
You want it?
I would like it. Where's yours?
I'm not sure.
Alright, well, I'm gonna stay in here for longer.
want you to go check my thing, because look, it's bubbling up, it's going this side.
Well, you better go check it. Go.
Yeah, put the jacket on.
Really? There you go. Alright, good luck. Go. Get out of here.